Hey world, it's LaDonna and Mark here from Radique Audio.
Hello.
We're bringing you an exciting new video today about our RA-Mini Amplifier. And what's more, this specific mini amplifier we're going to show is the very first of this finish that we've ever shown publicly. This little amp is rated for 50 watts per channel at 8 ohms. It's a true rating and it's Class D amplifier, which means it doesn't get very hot. It's not like the Class A, Class B gear that we sell so much of, the really nice high-end vintage gear, but it does keep the unit running cool. It's a more efficient standard. And just fairly recently, Texas Instruments started putting out some very good quality Class D ICs, which we've used in our RA-Mini Amp, which is part of the reason why it can have good quality sound. Now, keep in mind, this is not an audiophile product. It's a $99 price point. But for the price point, it sounds great, as you're going to see.
Yeah, and it's beautiful. I love the backlit volume. I love the red. It shows really nicely.
It does. We've got a high gloss black one as well, which is the one we've been selling previously, but now we've got two versions to choose from. They're both at that same $99 price point.
Right now it says blue, so Bluetooth, and then we've got the line.
And of course, if we had an SD micro card plugged into the side port of the unit on the left, you would be able to see that as one of the options. And there's also a 3.5 millimeter input on the front, which you can scroll through as well if it was connected. And finally, there's a USB port on the front.
Right next to the auxiliary.
So you can have a USB drive plugged in there with a bunch of songs or podcasts or an audiobook or whatever you'd like. So we're gonna press play now on our CD player, which is already connected.
It's not too loud, is it?
That's a good point.
So it's at 7.
I think it goes all the way up to 50, so 7 is quite low, which is good.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Give that some juice.
Wow.
Sounds really good.
For the rain would wash out the...
That was Gregory Charles, in case you're wondering who we were playing just there. We've seen him in concert. He's really, really good. We'll mention a couple things at the back of the amplifier as well. We mentioned that we're currently plugged into the dual RCA inputs. There's one set of dual RCA inputs at the back. And there's also one pair of speaker outputs, and they are 5-way bindings. So they support banana plugs, which is what we have set up here right now. They also support spades, pins, or bare wire. Important things to keep in mind when first hooking up your RA-Mini Amp. The first one is you want to have everything turned off when you plug it all in together. Ideally have it running through a power bar. We have a little power bar in the bottom of our podium here.
With a switch.
With a switch. So we make sure the switch is turned off. We plug the little power supply that comes with the RA-Mini into the back of the RA-Mini Amp. Can you just lift that up a little bit so we can see it? That's the little power supply that's included. So that's plugged into the back of the RA-Mini Amp. The other end of that power supply plugs into the power bar. We get it all connected, and once that's done, then we turn the power bar on, and then we power the RA-Mini Amp on.
This is coiled up, so there is quite a bit more length.
Yes, sorry.
So it looks more congested than it really is.
That's a good point. It's because we're about to sell this exact one, so we've kept the cables tidy, but yes, that's a good point. So if you have any questions, we hope that you'll share them with us. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and we'll look forward to bringing you more content from Radique Audio.
I just want to mention quickly the buttons at the front here, right? So you mentioned the mode buttons.
Oh, sorry, yes.
You can also skip the track when you are in...
Right, if you're playing from the SD micro card or from the USB drive.
Right, you can skip in either direction, you can pause, you can play, so you do have some controls.
That's a good point.
On the unit
That's
itself.
a good point. And there's also little click points on the volume knob, which I like. So it's kind of like a higher end, I mean, it isn't, it's an entry level piece, but it's kind of like...
It rivals the sound quality of some amplifiers.
We've had customers here in person, honestly, who've been shocked by the sound quality when we've auditioned. Some of our favorite little satellite speakers from Focal, the Focal Sibs, which are, you know, a closer match to this in terms of their size, and it sounds really good with them.
Very clean. And I mean, between the price point, the form factor, and like the sound quality, I don't know how you can beat that.
No, exactly. And it makes a great gift. We've even had audiophile customers with some very nice high-end equipment who've bought one of these for a second or a third system, or for their kids or for their friend who's not, you know, got the same kind of audiophile budget. And it's a great gateway into audio.
Absolutely.
And of course, the fact it's got built-in Bluetooth streaming is nice too, because you can stream right from your phone or other Bluetooth device.
We're big fans of Bluetooth.
We are. Well, it's just handy. It's handy to have it as an option for sure. Thanks for your attention, everybody. Bye, world.
Bye.